Cheers, brewers. Bear with me. Wow, it is hot. Really hot. Ho ho ho. Happy Christmas. This is the Boddies Draught, I think. Yeah, Boddies Draught. It's really good. It does, the Fuggles hops really nail it. They make it earthy, woody, and it is bitter. And I thought, you know, a bit of novelty. I put on my big handle, and I did put on my stout faucet or stout spout onto the keg that it's, or onto the line it's hooked up to, because, have a look. I hope you can see it. It despite it not being on nitrous, it's still there's really fine perforations in the sieve that the beer is poured through, so it gives a really tight, compact head to the beer, and it gives it a real silky mouthfeel, which it really shouldn't. Sorry, itchy eye. Gives it a real silky mouthfeel, and it shouldn't, because it's, as we saw, it's just the classic Woolies lager base recipe kit and a bag of pre-hop dry malt extract, the English bitter variety. But yeah, we threw in, what, 25 grams of hops in total. I'll put the link to the recipe here and at the end of the video. But you get the, look, there's not a lot of that golden syrup flavour in this, but there is a little bit of that, that sort of molassesy taste, as well as you do get a little bit of the roastiness from that dark malt extract we threw in. Just a hint. It's just got that tiny sort of burnt toast flavour. It's very subtle. If I didn't know it was in there, I would have to be judging in a competition to notice it. I think it would take, yeah, it's just about 5-10 seconds after you swallow the beer, you get that sort of bitterness on the middle of the tongue. I don't want to talk too long because I've trapped a wasp in this brew room, so yeah, I just want to finish up before that thing stings me. Yeah. And anyway, this is really good. Give it a crack. Just use the coupe if you can't access like the supermarket branded lager. Just use the base Cooper's lager, or not really sure. Morgan's might have, whatever the most basic hopped kit, least hopped kit is. Get that and see if you can get the English bitter dry malt extract kit. And yeah, some extra Fuggles hops, some golden syrup, dark malt extract, and you will have yourself a really nice, well, I've never had a Boddington's Draught Ale, but this is like an English bitter that I've had elsewhere. It does have the bitterness, and yeah, in terms of other flavours, there's the hop flavour of the earth and the wood, like sort of how you would imagine, well, sort of mushroomy, I guess, and a bit of bread and a bit of cracker. So, alright, until next time, happy brewing.